If you're a small business owner, you're working really hard, you're making good money, but you're still not seeing your personal wealth grow the way it should, well then this video is for you. I'm going to show you exactly how to grow your wealth faster without having to grind harder or chase more sales. Growing your wealth isn't about making more money. It's about how you manage the money that you already make. If you're new to the channel, my name is Tyron Tyson. I'm a licensed financial advisor, and I'm on a mission to help small business owners protect, grow, and manage their money with confidence. Listen, having a successful business can be a silent wealth killer if you don't have the right systems in place. I get it, you're in the trenches, you're running your business, but if you don't take control over your cash flow, you'll stay stuck in this income treadmill, always working, always earning, but never truly building wealth. So how do you fix it? Well, you're going to need three things. You're going to need organization, automation, and efficiency. And let me break it down for you. Financial disorganization is the number one reason that most business owners struggle to build their personal wealth. If you don't know where your money is going, you can't control it. If you can't control it, you can't grow it. So here's how you stay organized. First things first, you gotta separate the business from the personal finances. Mixing accounts is like running a company without a profit loss statement, right? You separate your accounts so you can track where your money is going, simplify tax time, and see how profitable you actually are. Next, you gotta track your money like you're the CFO. What gets measured gets managed. Track your income, your expenses, your profits, and you have to do this regularly, just like you track your sales metrics. If you're only looking at your finances when it's tax time, guess what? You're already behind and you're already losing. Next is building a cash flow system that actually works with you. You have to set up separate accounts for your taxes, your business expenses, and your personal wealth. Your money should have a job and a system that ensures it will work automatically without you even having to babysit it. Because with the right structure in place, you'll go from feeling like you're constantly chasing money or chasing the bag to knowing exactly where your money is going and why. But organization alone isn't enough. You don't want to spend all of your time manually moving your money around. You need automation to handle that for you. Because the business owners out there who are really growing their wealth and are growing it fast don't rely on willpower or memory. They rely on systems. And automation ensures that your money moves to the right places without you lifting a finger. And here's how you set it up. First things first, you got to pay yourself first. So you got to automate how you get paid. You're not just the business owner. You're the primary wealth builder of your family's future. So setting up automatic payments to pay yourself consistently will help you out even when your revenue fluctuates. Next, and probably one of the most important ones, is automating your taxes. Listen, stop playing with the government and stop playing catch up with the IRS. Set up automatic transfers that send a fixed percentage of your revenue to a tax account every month so that you're always staying on top of your tax bill, and come tax time, there's no big surprise with how much you owe. And last is automating your investments. Listen, your business should not be your only wealth engine. You have to use the money that you're making today to be able to invest it for the future. So automatically moving a portion of your income into your investment accounts every month is critical, whether it's a brokerage account or a retirement plan. So now you've got a system that organizes your money and automates its movement, but the real magic happens when it comes to its efficiency. Because the less you lose to taxes, inefficiencies, and missed opportunities, the faster you can grow your wealth. As I mentioned, it's not about how much you make, it's about how much you keep. And financial efficiency is about getting more from what you already make. One of the biggest obstacles that we face as business owners is taxes. Even in understanding that, most business owners are still overpaying, donating thousands to the government unnecessarily. But here's how you can tighten that up. First, stop trying to handle your taxes on your own. That's the big thing. Work with a professional. Whether it's a tax professional or a financial advisor, you need someone who does this every day to be able to help you find clarity so that you know where you are and where you're trying to go. And you can also put all the responsibility on them and not have to worry about making any mistakes yourself. But understand, there's a difference between the two. You don't just want to work with one or the other. You really want to have both on your team. By partnering with a professional, they can help you legally reduce your taxes and structure your wealth so that you keep the most of it, not just today, but over a lifetime. Look, the bottom line here is the key to wealth isn't working harder. It's putting your money to work for you. You build the system, you let the system do the work, and then you let your business become the vehicle that grows your wealth, not just the thing that pays your bills. And if you found this video helpful, please subscribe, drop a comment, ask a question, and hang in there with me until the next video. I'll see you next time.